Sorry, you know, sometimes I network, but we bounce back. And then just take this and join with the one I've discussed before to complete this flooring. For those of you who can do that, we have bounced back. Network will do its own, and we must finish the message. Just as I said before, why people were looking and keep talking about the greatness of Madrid, I thought I was busy telling his boys, remember the history must repeat itself. Eventually then came to London last week. Arsenal gave them 3-0 goal with a single reply from them. Do you know what I've been boiling in every social media? Returning leg, coming back. Madrid don't do before. Madrid don't do before. Madrid go finish Arsenal. Madrid go finish Arsenal. Madrid, oh, in Spain, Madrid will finish Arsenal. Have you had Arsenal player coming? Almost all Madrid players came up to threaten. You see? Sometimes we know they talk, but you go see the results. So why Nigerian army are keep threatening us? We will wipe you out. It's not the first time. Shoot aside. We will level the ground. Hope don't boast. Soludo don't talk. Who no talk? Chief of Army Staff don't boast. We will destroy all of you. Forgotten that. Even without no weapon. Even without no knowledge as it is now. This civilization. We were not able to win our fathers. Our forefathers. Talk less of us. The time where we never deploy like this, the time where we never advance in technology like this, the time where we were not educated like this, the time we were not exposed like this, you were not able to defeat us. So what gave you the morale that now where we don't become the immortal, that you can toy with us? What happened yesterday, for those of you who watch Champions League? Emotional blackmail don't know the work on us. You know if he blackmail us. You know if he blackmail us. You call us terrorists. I ask you, do you really know the word, the meaning of terrorism? You cannot define it. Self-determination can never be terrorist or terrorist act. Self-determination. It is even in your photocopy. It is even in your photocopy constitution. Because now waiting white men photocopy and give you, you say you amend it. 1999 during this moron called Obasanjo. That is it. Let me also tell you, yesterday, for the greatest surprise upon all the mouth where Madrid they make cover the roof. Oh, they increase the fee, the gate fee to 3%. Then do all this finish. And see collect for Arsenal and yesterday. What a shame. What a shame. What a shame. When you fail to learn from the past, then you'll be swallowed by the past. That thing will happen in the past that you think that is just an ordinary. It will repeat itself in even a greater form. Remember, Arsenal went there and played 0-0 in the past. But because they think that was just then. When you say that was just then, now that just then, I go destroy you. Arsenal now bounce back now and give them 2-1, winning in their home. What a shame. You see, don't underestimate also. When we tell you something, we mean that. We determined to get Biafran, and Biafra we go get. The more you underestimate us, it's in your hand. You know if it stop us, that is for settled. That one alone is for sure. That one alone is for sure. You know if it stop us. You see this Biafra? This Biafra, where 30 millions of Biafran die for, we will never joke with it. We can never surrender. We can never retrieve until we get justice for them. And do you know what is their justice? Biafra freedom. You see this Biafra where make you carry Nnamdi Kanu, put for prison, they do adjournment upon adjournment upon adjournment upon adjournment. Justice for Nnamdi Kanu. That thing where make Nnamdi Kanu stay for your prison, torment. That thing where kill Nnamdi Kanu father and his mother. We must get it. You can't change it. You see that thing where make you deploy soldier to come to Biafran territory, Biafra land, be bombing and killing innocent souls. That thing where kill them, they must get it. You see that Biafra, that thing where make you kill Ikonso and other gallant men, gallant soldier. You see that thing where make you kill them. They must get it. I am telling you now. We have been telling you, you think it's a joke. Now let me reinforce that thing for you to know that we do not have anything in mind. When you are busy asking, does it no other option? Yes, there is no other option. It is only one option. That is why I keep telling you that we were programmed. When a software is programmed for a particular thing, it can only work that thing. For instance, ATM machine. ATM machine is programmed for one purpose. Withdrawal. You can only withdraw. You cannot pay